Comment.
During startup, you need to check if the system is in auto or manual mode. For now, we will use the auto mode. So, when choosing auto mode, you need just to go to mode, select, and then go to auto. Now, naka-auto na yan. Then, you will go down to the start flow. In startup flow, you can see the start mode blinking. So you will just press, first also you will check if what is the selected pump. So we must run the pump number 1 because it is the lowest running hours. So we go back to start flow, and then just press the start mode. Are you sure you want to start mode? Yes. Pump 1 start. And then you will just wait. The system will run automatically and open and close. Now it is starting. In starting, you will wait until
Stop, sir.
this scrubber run. Sir, tumakbo na sir. Now you can see pump running and pressure will go up to 180 kPa, and you can see the kilometer. And then here you can see up to 7 minutes. The whole process will be, I think, 7 minutes plus. Matagal dito kasi inverter control. Oh shit, it's in there. Same lang yan.